Huh?
Now can you play with us?
Huh?
Now can you play with us?
Huh?
Now can you play with us? Now can you play with us?
Huh? Huh?
Now can you play with us?
No.
What?
Cuz I'm too busy playing with you guys. I'll play with you. What are you playing with? What are you playing with? Whoa.
What?
Is this a parking lot?
No. Mine is
Sure.
all the way in the kitchen. You're not going to get all mine.
Oh wow.
The rest
It
of
sure
mine
has a lot of
reaches-
cars there.
Yeah, mine reaches all the way in the kitchen. You won't be able to see it all.
Oh, I can't see it all. What's going on with the window over there?
My dad did
Is it a ramp?
it. Yes.
Landon, can you show me how the ramp works? Alright, let's take a look at these cars.
Let's take a look at those. I got Transformers here. Oh no.
Now, you gotta show me all your cars and which ones are your favorites.
My favorite ones are the gold ones.
Alright, I'm gonna go through all the cars, okay? Man, that's a whole bunch of cars. Monster trucks. And futuristic. Oh, there's an airplane. That's not a car. That's an airplane. We got big cars and little cars and monster trucks and tanks and elephants. And then this back row here.
Yeah, ramp.
Yeah, that's a whole bunch of cars.
Yeah. I think you'll have to get in the kitchen and you'll get all of it.
Oh, look at the track.
Yeah.
Man, that thing goes forever. Can we put a car on it? Let's see if we can put a car on it.
Let's do this one.
Oh, wait, we gotta fix it though. Because it looks like it's broke right here.
I did it.
Yeah, it did. The track broke right here, buddy.
That's because it was a little bended.
Oh, it was a little bended?
Yeah, these
It
numbers.
looks like we ran out of things. We ran out of blue things.
It's okay.
So we have to be super duper careful. We have to pick a car that's really fast. What about this one?
What about that one?
No. See, I think, oh, it broke. Almost. No. See if you can get it all the way back to me. Go. Ah! I don't think we can play with these because we don't have enough blue things. We're going to have to get some more blue things.
Yeah. Let's not get more racetracks, just blue things. We lost
But
a
we
lot.
don't, I don't think you can buy the blue things without the racetracks.
Yeah, without the racetracks.
Yeah, I think you have to buy,
Racetracks.
you have to buy one or the other. You can't just buy the blue things with the racetrack.
It's me.
It is, isn't it?
Look my instructions.
It's you with your instructions? What are the instructions for?
I got my green Wonderland.
I think that tells you all the other toys you can get. Can you
This
show us?
tells me I can get the pilot things.
Yeah, can you show me?
Pilot things.
Show me, open it up and show me. You didn't open it up all the way. Where are all the figures? Oh, here they go. Nice. Can you spin it around?
Go, 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 Power Rangers.
Go, 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 Power Rangers. What are you doing? Is this a dance contest?
Hey, man, you can rip the Power Ranger one off so I can have it. You can have the Batman one.
You put it back in your pocket so you can keep it safe?
Well, I want the Power Ranger one.
I don't know that we have a Power Ranger one.
And here. It's in Lance's thing.
Oh, let Lane have it for a little bit.
Why? Lance?
Because you're too busy having a dance contest.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Bust it out. Bust it out. Bust it out dance contest. You gotta go in the living room and do a dance contest. Landon, it's you versus Lehman. Go. There's no music. It's so awkward having a dance contest with no music. Landon's just doing spins on the floor. Oh, do a front flip, Landon. Front flip. No, we can't play music. Because if you play music, YouTube doesn't like it.
We did.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy. I don't get it either. So this is just a silent dance contest.
By the way,
Landon, mow the yard. Alright, now drive the car. Alright, now you're in a Corvette. Now climb the ladder. Now, let's see here. Oh, go fishing. Look at you. Did you cast?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now play baseball. Hey, we don't kick. Hey, heads up. We don't kick in baseball. There's 2 rules to baseball. There's 2.
I got a whole bunch of baseball.
Listen, there's 2 rules to baseball. Number 1, no crying. Number 2, no kicking. All right, play soccer. Play soccer. Hey, tap on the door till Leah to be quiet. You didn't say anything. You're supposed to say Leah be quiet.